If your life was a movie and God was the director, what would the title of your movie be?
You're not forgotten. With all the testimonies and trials that have gone in my life and thoughts of loneliness and depression, it's not just what the title would be called, it's what he would be calling to me.
So he's been really faithful to you.
Undoubtedly, beyond, I am blessed beyond what I deserve. A day to day marvel of what he's done. It's today was something different than was yesterday. And spurs on the hope and joy for tomorrow. It's just like, all right, how are you going to top this? You know, even it's in the simplest of things, like being here today
Yep.
and just being able to help Matt Martin and everything else what Hollywood Prayer Network has done. It's been amazing.